Hello, beautiful people. If you are watching this phase for the first time, then hi, I'm Pranjali Pare. I'm again back with another video. First, let me just say sorry for the background noise because it's raining heavily here. So, let's just start with our today's topic, which is hyperemesis gravidarum. Okay, now we look the definition of hyperemesis gravidarum. It is a excessive vomiting of pregnancy, incapacitating the day-to-day activities and or deteriorating. Deteriorating word means to become worse. The health of the mother, it's called hyperemesis gravidarum. મીન્સ hyperemesis gravidarum શું છે, એટલી વધારે પડતી વોમિટિંગ થશે ને કે જે ડે ટુ ડે લાઈફની એક્ટિવિટી છે એ કરવામાં ધ મધર વિલ બી ફેલ. Now we'll see incidents. Okay, so due to the new trends and increase in development in medical field, this hyperemesis gravidarum cases are decreases, but now rarely it is seen in hospital, like from 1 in 1,000 pregnancy it can be seen or noticeable. Why? The reasons are better application of family planning knowledge which reduce. Okay, so now we will see the causes of hyperemesis gravidarum. The first is dehydration, which is a severe form of dehydration talking about here. Then oliguria. Oliguria is a urine output less than normal, like which is 400 ml. Loss of skin elasticity, weight loss, electrolyte imbalance in body, then metabolic acidosis and alkalosis. These all are the causes of hyperemesis gravidarum. Okay, now we will see the known fact about the hyperemesis gravidarum. Mostly it is limited up to the first trimester only. First trimester means starting at 3 મહિના સુધી. More common in first pregnancy with tendency of recur again in subsequent pregnancies. Has got a familiar history if the patient is having a family history of that. Young age, if the mother who is pregnant is in young age, a low baby mass, having a LBW baby, then motion sickness or migraine. More prevalent in multiple pregnancy, more common in unplanned pregnancy. Now we will see the clinical symptoms, which is divided into two, which is early and a late. In early pregnancy, the vomiting occurs throughout the day. There is no evidence of dehydration or starvation. Then in late pregnancy, vomiting is increased in frequency with reaching. Oliguria will be there, epigastric pain and constipation. This all sign will be seen if the patient is suffering from hyperemesis gravidarum. Okay, now the signs are the patient will be having a dry coated tongue, sunken eyes, means energy. Then acetone, a bad smell or bad breath, tachycardia, hypotension, I'm sorry, it is a hypotension. Then rising temperature. ટોપિકમાં ખબર ન પડી હોય તો પ્લીઝ કમેન્ટ કરજો, મેસેજ કરજો, અને હું તમારા ડાઉટ સોલ્વ કરવા માટે ઓલવેઝ રેડી જ છું. અને બીજી વાર મળીએ બીજા અનધર વિડીયોમાં. પ્લીઝ લાઇક, શેર, સબસ્ક્રાઈબ માય ચેનલ.